the song. So it was always there, and it has always been there. I have always been temperamentally inclined towards devotion. Not really, because I come from a middle class family, and I'm talking about 45, 50 years back. So my father was not at all for me coming into the film industry, not at all. So उस वक्त तो ये था माहौल की नहीं अच्छे घर की लड़कियाँ फिल्म में नहीं जाती हैं and I was never really for the film industry उस वक्त भी. So I used to love singing though, and as a child I had a very hoarse voice, nothing to do with music. And then when I was about 9 years old, I had a very bad attack of pneumonia, extremely bad, very severe attack, and I was in bed for 40 days. During that course of time, my uncle had presented to me the Bhagavad Gita sang by Lata ji. So 24 hours I used to just listen to that, and मेरे दिमाग में एक बात बैठ गई कि अगर मेरे गले से आवाज़ निकले, मैं मुंह खोलूँ तो मेरी आवाज़ ये होनी चाहिए. And it really happened. After the 40 days, when I recovered from the pneumonia, my voice was completely changed. Absolutely changed. जैसे गोरा और काला जितना मतलब black and white उतना फर्क था. And it became like what it is today. And then of course I trained myself singing the Bhagavad Gita and the various this Meera Bhajan है या लता जी के जो गाए हुए. So मैंने कभी ऐसे ध्यान नहीं दिया कि मुझे सीखना है कि मुझे कुछ करियर बनाना है, नहीं है. But as destiny would have it, बलवंत दादा ने मेरी आवाज़ सुनी and he called me. And there is a very interesting anecdote, that took place before this happened. When I got married into the Paudwal family, and my in-laws were very religious, and my mother-in-law was a great devotee of Shiva. So, मेरे मैके में इतने rituals, we didn't have so many rituals. There it was only Sai Baba. Only Sai Baba. Here also there was Sai Baba. मतलब फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए बाकी भगवान थे, लेकिन कोई मैट्रिक पास हुआ साई बाबा, शिरडी साई बाबा, 5 नारियल का तोरण लगाना, किसी की शादी हुई साई बाबा, किसी को बच्चा हुआ साई बाबा. Other gods were there, but so she said, you should start doing Monday, सोमवार. I said okay. She said श्रावण का महीना शुरू हुआ है, तो you go and वो शिव जी पे अभिषेक वगैरह करना. और ऐसे कर रहे. तो I started going there. और बारिश बहुत होती है बॉम्बे में उस वक्त श्रावण महीने. तो one day what happened is, one day I could not go. I don't know, some किसी reason से. But I didn't pay much attention to that. So I went to the temple and I slipped and I fell because वो पूरा वहाँ पे moss जमा होती है. So I fell, and when I came, my clothes were wet because बारिश हो रही थी. My mother-in-law said, what happened? So I said, I slipped and fell. She said, see, एक Monday you didn't go, so you slipped and fell. Oh, I said, is it? I thought because I came for the other Mondays, so I didn't break my hand. But then I was so scared. I said कि एक Monday नहीं करने से शिव जी इतना नाराज होते थे. I don't want शिव जी, I don't want Monday. Forget it. So I just stopped. I said no. ऐसा भगवान I don't, मतलब इंसान है तो कभी भी गलती होती है, तो I stopped that.
ऐसा भगवान तो नहीं करते हैं. This is just people's thought.
I know. लेकिन भगवान अपने पास कैसे बुला लेते हैं. So I am a classic example of that. So after some time, it so happened, just my husband used to work with S.D. Burman, so I used to prepare the lunch and take it for him because that is the only time I got to see him. Otherwise, आते थे रात को 1 बजे, सुबह 8 बजे चले जाते थे. So I used to take the lunch for him, cook food and take it to him. So when I was going to the studio, Film Center, as it was known, they were just humming something, you know, the taxi. ऐसे मुझे गुनगुनाने की आदत थी. So when I was going, there was a Sardar ji who was a taxi driver. So बेटे तुम गाने का शौक है तुम्हें? ऐसे जी बाबूजी. तो गाने के लिए तुम किसकी पूजा करते हो? Now this is after this incident. I don't want Shivji and no Shivji, no Monday. So I said, सरस्वती की होती है. तो हाँ, सरस्वती की तो होती है, लेकिन तुम शिव की पूजा करो. I said no. वो बहुत गुस्से वाले होते हैं. I don't want to. किसने बोला तुमको? ऐसे my mother-in-law said कि one Monday you don't do and नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. नाद जो निकला है वो शिव जी के डमरू से निकला है. So you worship Shiv. For your music, you should worship Shiva. So इतना सुना and I went to the no, not मंदिर. I went to the studio for was lunch देने के. Within 24 hours ऐसे हुआ कि बलून दादा ने कहा कि अरुण जी ओके, एक कोई अभिमान में, if you remember the time that अमिताभ जी sees जया जी for the first time, तो वहाँ एक मंदिर है शिव जी का. तो उस मंदिर में she is singing something. उन्होंने कहा कि कुछ देखो, कोई श्लोक लेके आना और लता जी से उसे गवाना. So my husband said okay. उन्होंने मेरे mother-in-law से वो श्लोक लिया. That is the show that I started my program with, and I start my program with. और वो लिया and then he said just hum this out. I want to take it to Banana. तो घर के टेप रिकॉर्डर पे उसको टेप किया और सुना. तो he said, who is this singer? He said, it's my wife. He said, you never told me that she's a singer. I said, no, she's not a singer. ऐसे गाने का शौक है. He said, नहीं है. तो उनको बुला, कॉल कर. इतने से श्लोक के लिए वाई कॉल लता जी, कॉल कर. So within 24 hours, I was in the same studio the next day singing the first श्लोक of my life, which was the Shiv Stuti. So I never believed that हम कोई भगवान, we don't have the capacity of choosing our gods. The God selects us. They select us. कि ये मेरी पूजा करेगी, you know, and they see to it that ये भक्त अपने पास आता है. अब इसके लिए मैं मना नहीं करूँगी. जनरली मैं नहीं गाती हूँ जनरली ऐसे, you know, because it takes away the sanctity, है ना. Because मेरा जो गाना वगैरह है वो प्रभु चरण में अर्पित है. Since it is this ओंकारं बिंदु संयुक्तं नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः. नहीं, आप देखिए वो है.